Another great tip is doing a physical activity that you enjoy with other people that also enjoy the activity. Sure, a lot of people they like to exercise alone, and I often like exercising alone, but sometimes it's nice to work out with other people. So let's say, for example, you have a friend that likes to go rollerblading or hiking. Maybe you can do it together, or maybe you'd like to be around a larger group of people, so you could join a team sport. There's great camaraderie with being involved in a team or exercising with other people. You can talk with each other, you can share some laughs, you can bounce ideas off each other. You could even vent or complain about things that are going on in your life. So not only can you help kind of clear your mind, but you can also get a great workout in at the same time. And when you exercise or work out with other people, it can really help hold you accountable. No one wants to cancel or avoid going to practice because they're going to let other people down. So you have to kind of work together and help each other out. So it can be fantastic for increasing workout motivation and making your workouts more enjoyable.